Hey there, thought I'd just share a new theme I'm developing. It's kind of fun. It's modeled after a website called Masterclass. These are courses. You can gift a course using a third-party registration form. The third-party registration form is a multi-part form. You can also buy the same course directly, not through a third party, but just for yourself. So that's a different registration form. And then there's a all access pass, which will register you to a membership. And again, a third party form, multi-part form. You can also then just, so that would scroll you through the things, but I'm still working on this, so on the images. You then have, actually I'll go back to a better course. We can then go into, for example, a different course, and up here you have a video that will play. So that video will play. And then if you're part of the course, you can go into the lessons. And in this case, again, in the various lessons, I'm just showing the same video in each case. Then we can head back, go into a different course, for example. This is a course that I'm registered into already, but in this case I could buy this course. Well, I'm currently not logged in, so again we have a different video that would be played, and again you can register to the membership, or you can register to this course. You can then go into the various lessons of the course if you are registered. So let's just go ahead and do this as a logged in user. So we'll take a look at the at this course. And again, there's a video, and the video plays full screen. Buying the course and such, same sort of thing. It's the basically the same. Going into the lessons of the course. So here, if the lesson doesn't have a image at the top or a video, what you do is you just simply edit the lesson. When you edit the lesson, in order to enable a featured image or anything like that, a couple of things you do. You change that to a course details template. You then set your featured image. I'll just do that one there. And then if you don't add a video, then the lesson will show up with just the featured image. So there you have the featured image, and there's an all access button in this case, but there's no other button because there's no sense buying this. I've already purchased it. So this one here is kind of a slider that would basically say get the all access pass, upgrade now, and that would open up the membership. So let's just head back to the lesson. So basically, because I haven't registered to the membership, then this here will be a nag. to allow me to remind me that there is a membership. Let's go ahead and let's now just add a video to this. So we'll embed a featured video. Let's do that one there, I suppose. Now, because I've added a featured video, then what's going to happen is up in the top of the lesson, we'll now have a video play button. And that video play button would open a video to be played. And there we go. Taking that button away will take that away as well. This is also Beaver Builder friendly. And by the way, that's just going to be a slide down. So here we are, and it'll be Beaver Builder friendly. So we'll have that, for example. So if I go into Beaver Builder, we'll then be able to edit whatever we want here, change anything we want, and that's about it, really. So there's the menu, for example, the section outline. We then have the different other menus. And that's it.